of Time, Bharat's History Through Murals in Parliament, authored by Sudha Murthy, Rajya Sabha MP, released by Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan at Samvidhan Sadan, document 124, mural panel tracing India's journey from IBC to freedom struggle. Sapardharam, Tapasvi Raja, authored by Ashutosh Agnihotri, Additional Secretary MOEFCC, released by Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla. The Curious and the Classified, authored by General Manoj Narayan, explore myth and lesser known stories of the Indian Air Force sports. Laureus World Sports Award 26 Madrid, Carlos Alcaraz Sportsman, Ariana Sabalenka Sportswoman. Hockey India 8th Annual Award 25 Player of the Year Balveer Singh Award Hardik Singh Men, Navneet Kaur Women. Lifetime Achievement Award Major Dhyanchand Award Zafar Iqbal 1980 Olympic gold medalist. World Para Athletics Championship 27 to the host in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. First time in Central Asia, fifth time in Asia. SAFF Women's Championship 26, Pakistan withdrew to be hosted by India in Goa. Asian Boxing Championship 26, Ulaanbaatar, India second overall. 16 medal, 5 gold, 3 silver, 8 bronze. Gold Vishwanath Suresh, men 50 kg, Meenakshi 48, Preeti 54 kg, Priya 60 kg, Arundhati Chaudhary 70 kg. ISSF World Cup 26, Granada, Spain. Palak Gulia, Mukesh Nelawali won gold in 100-meter air pistol. Mixed team set WR score 487.7. Khelo India Tribal Game 26. First edition was held in Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Jagdalpur, Sarguja from March 25 से अप्रैल 3. Finally medal tally Karnataka first, Orissa second, Jharkhand third, Bihar ranked 19, 1 gold, 1 silver, 0 bronze. Payal Nag, an 18-year-old from Orissa, became the world first quadruple amputee to win international gold by defeating world champion Sheetal Devi in Bangkok. Fight women candidate 26, Cyprus. R. Vaisali won earning title shot versus Zhu Benjun. Aryan Ghosh became India's 95 Grandmaster at Bangkok Chess Open. Aryan Ghosh. Ayush Sethi silver 26 Badminton Asia Championship men single. Swan Barwal new national marathon record 2:11:58 at Rotterdam Marathon 26 broke Shivnath Singh 1978 record. Ritika Sri, Tamil Nadu, India's first transgender cricket umpire. Omega Ball introduced in India by IIT Madras, innovative 3-team sport on circular field with 3 goal person in news. Ashok Kumar Lahiri appointed vice chairperson of Niti Aayog 25 April 26, replacing Suman K. Berry. New full-time member Rajiv Gauba, K.V. Raju, Professor Govardhan Das, Dr. M. Srinivas, Professor Abhay Karandikar. Padma Viswanathan, Canadian American writer of Indian origin, shortlisted for International Booker Prize 26 as translator for Anna Paula Mia on Earth as It's Beneath. Menika Goswami, the first openly queer MP Rajya Sabha. Harivansh Narayan Singh, elected for the third term as the deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha, marking the first time a nominated member hold the post. Divya Singh became the first Indian woman, second globally, to cycle to cycle to Everest Base Camp after a 14-day 700-kilometer journey. Sunita Singh became one of the oldest Indian women to scale Mount Kilimanjaro Uhuru Peak, 5895 meter. साध्वी सैर गोवा won Femina Miss India World 26 will represent India at Miss World. Bodhana Sivanandan, an 11-year-old Indian origin prodigy, became the number one ranked female chess player in UK, overtaking Lan Yo, securing the FIDE Master title. Deep Jariwala, Indian origin scientist, professor at University of Pennsylvania, appointed UTORNL Governor's Chair for Quantum Devices. Amit Kshatriya, Indian American space scientist, played key leadership role in NASA's Artemis II moon mission. Mangala Kuppa, Indian origin techie, appointed as Chief Information Officer of the US Department of Labor. Ukral Nayam Oshod, elected as 33rd Prime Minister of Mongolia, country's third leader in 9 months. Min Aung Hlaing, Senior General Min Aung Hlaing, who led the 21st military coup, was officially sworn in 11th President of Myanmar following landslide win in parliamentary election. Tu Lam, Vietnam Communist Party leader, elected President of Vietnam by National Assembly. Peter Magyar wins Hungary election, ending 16-year rule Viktor Orban in Hungary. Major General Roman Goffman appointed new head of Mossad effective 2 जून से. Lieutenant General Susan Coyle became India's first female Chief of Army in July 26. Arthur Law, co-founder of Store Friendly Asia, named Young Global Leader 26 by WEF for transforming urban living solution. Obituary. Asha Bhosle, legendary singer, passed away at Mumbai, the age 92. Born in Sagli, Maharashtra, 1933, began her singing career at the age of 9. अवार्ड एंड रिकॉग्निशन. दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड 2000, पद्म विभूषण 2008, फिल्म अवार्ड 21, उमराव जन और 86, इज्जत बंगा विभूषण वेस्ट बंगाल 18, महाराष्ट्र भूषण अवार्ड 21, लता दीननाथ मंगेशकर अवार्ड 23, रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड एज द मोस्ट रिकॉर्डेड आर्टिस्ट इन म्यूजिक हिस्ट्री. फर्स्ट सॉन्ग चला चला नव बाला, मराठी फिल्म माझा बाल 1943. ब्रेक थ्रू नया दौर. चंद्रिका पेड़ सर संतकोशी of Bihar origin, Indo-Suriname family, served as Suriname president. Bihari origin. Colonel Sonam Wangchuk, a legendary Kargil war hero of Mahavir Chakra awardee, remembered for her resolute leadership in capturing strategic Bartley Height during the 1999 Kargil war. C.D. Gopinath, the last surviving member of the India's first test winning team, died at the age 96. Nadendra Bhaskarrao, former CFO of Undivided Andhra Pradesh and co-founder of TDP. Jim Whittaker, first American to summit Mount Everest in 1963. Important day and event. 2 April, World Autism Awareness Day. Every life has value. April 6, International Day of Sport for Development and Peace. April 7 World Healthy Day. Together for Health Stand with Science. April 10 Homeopathy Day. Birth anniversary Dr. Hahnemann. Theme Homeopathy for Sustainable Health. April 11 World Parkinson Day. Bridge the Care Gap. April 13 Siachen Day. ऑपरेशन मेघदूत सिक्योरिंग सियाचिन ग्लेशियर. 14 अप्रैल वर्ल्ड क्वांटम डे. लॉन्च्ड इन 21 साइंटिस्ट 60+ कंट्री. अप्रैल 21 18 सिविल सर्विस डे. थीम विकसित भारत सिटीजन सेंट्रिक गवर्नेंस एंड डेवलपमेंट एट द लास्ट माइल. 22 अप्रैल वर्ल्ड अर्थ डे. थीम आवर पावर आवर प्लेनेट. 24 अप्रैल नेशनल पंचायती राज डे. मार्क 73rd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट 1992. थीम सशक्त पंचायत सर्वांगीण विकास. 25 अप्रैल वर्ल्ड मलेरिया डे. ड्रिवन टू एंड मलेरिया. नो नाउ बी कैन नाउ बी मस्ट.